were blowing up, going back to 9. It was like boom. And I was like, wow, damn.
It's weird with no body work on, isn't it?
It is, and the kart feels so light. It's nothing to steer, and like I said, I went into 9 and got on the brakes really hard, and it smashed my nuts right into that bar, and then it steers because all your weight transfers forward.
Yeah,
and it steers really good. But I went in there too fast once, and it started to push. And then when I jammed on the brakes, it pushed me forward, and it was all right. But them brakes were great. I mean, that's enough brake to put on the shifter kart.
Yeah.
Serious.
Yeah, we overdid it probably with the brakes, eh?
Oh, no, that's good. Because they slow you right down. You start getting squirrely and get on them brakes and slow you right down. It's all good. But it beats your friggin' neck to death. But yeah, it'll be cool to get some couple people out in there. They'll have a ball. And it's kind of weird because it's like, especially like going into 9. The first time I went in there, I let off and I was like back out of gas. It's like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
what
like you
doing?
slowed down too soon.
Yeah. You can't drive it like you do the shifter kart and all the break-in points and turn-in points. It's totally different.
Well, the steering speed on this thing is a lot faster too. You know.
I went going into 3. I went in there and I turned in and had to turn back and then turn again.
Yeah.
Because it was like, oh man. But the chassis is so light feeling. It's cool.
Cool. It looks smooth. Pardon me?
Which horsepower is that motor?
I have no idea. None. It's pump gas, so it's not even on alcohol. It's an alcohol engine with a gas carb and a decompression cam so we can pull start it.
Is that what they call World Formula?
No, this is an animal.
Oh, it's an animal.
Yeah,
Okay.
World Formulas is a different model.
So it was like 17, 18 horsepower?
Yeah, probably. I mean, I know on alcohol, the Sprint bodywork carts that have those engines on, they'll run right by a Yamaha with a can on it. Run right by them in a straight line.
Yeah, don't do bad in a straight line. And once the revs start getting up and it gets going, the vibration is a little less.
Yeah.
But yeah, the harmonics of it or whatever stops beating you to death. But I think it's just a little bit too stiff in the headrest, all that stuff.
It just needs softer padding maybe in there on that perch part. Well, that's why we shake it down, right? We got to figure it out.
Yep.
Cool. You play again, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Oh
cool.
yeah.
All right,
I'm
sweet.
gonna try my other helmet this time. That shield kept fogging up.
Yeah.
And
It's cold.
Yeah, and it's like I should have cleaned it. I didn't even clean it. At least I wiped it.
I'm gonna get
off.
dressed and try this thing, I guess.
Yeah.
What the heck? That's why we're here.
I may just wear these gloves too.
Yeah.
Because it's freezing balls.
Yeah.
You get after 5 laps, man. I came in, I could barely unstrap my gloves.
Yeah, I would
My
try
hand
putting
went
the silicone, the rubber gloves on first inside your gloves because it worked at the indoor place in the middle of winter. So,
Yeah.
all right, cool, man.